Hey everyone, we are back at Carroll Jardin. It is the end of summer, and believe it or not, Hagar and Ziv are moving into the top 2 floors tomorrow.
We're taking you inside. You're gonna see a lot of progress has been made since vlog 4 to vlog 5, this current one. Again, they're moving in the top 2 floors, so we're gonna focus on that and then be back in a couple of weeks for the big reveal video. Let's head inside.
So we're here inside the Parlor floor. There's so much work going on, but right here at the entryway, you might remember our gorgeous red onyx and white marble entryway tile. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It's ready to go. And as you step in here, we have our original vestibule door.
So we listened to you on the last vlog. There was a lot of commotion around the original glass. Folks, we listened to you. We're keeping this glass here. However, we did sand and paint this door. It looks like a brand new door, even though this is from the late 1800s.
So one of the things that is really great are these double 3-point arches. So we have one here, and then you see another one right back here that goes into the kitchen. So these two mirror one another. Really beautiful.
This parlor floor is going to be living and dining. New light fixtures are going in, which is always for me the most exciting part because you see all those finishes coming to life. You guys are going to want to see the reveal video to see what finishes we chose for this space. Absolutely stunning.
So follow us back through to the kitchen. So we'll go through this second 3-point arch. And this kitchen is gorgeous.
Last video, all of the kitchen was protected, so you really did get a good glimpse into the beautiful reformed cabinetry. This white oak over here on the storage, and then this beautiful painted cabinets over here. The blend together works really seamlessly, especially with this huge island right in the middle of both of them.
This is a Calcutta Verde. It's gorgeous. It has this beautiful green veining and this kind of creamy veining running through it. And we have our arch over here with all of our marble cladding the hood. And of course, this Parisian inspired gorgeous double French doors in the back of the kitchen. We just put on this new hardware onto the door. This is a chrome hardware. So if that doesn't give you like a French Parisian vibe, I'm not sure what else will.
So a little bit of the floor protection came off because we had to show you this beautiful new chevron floor that we put on the parlor floor. The drama of this, I think, fits perfectly in with this space. We have the double French style doors in front of me, and then this gorgeous fireplace sink over here, and this beautiful polished brass as well. All the appliances are Fisher Paykel. We have our induction range over here. We have a steam oven, a warming drawer, and then we even have a paneled fridge and freezer on to the far left.
So the last thing that we need to do to finish this space is to get the light fixtures in. We have can lights that go all the way around the perimeter of the room, but right here in the middle, we have a really gorgeous centerpiece pendant fixture that is just gonna make this kitchen space. I can't wait to see it go in.
Drama, 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 drama. I'm here for it. Can't wait for you guys to see it.
So we're up in the primary bedroom now. It is so beautiful up here. Gorgeous light coming in the windows. We carried all of our picture frame molding up here as well. We have this gorgeous warm color on the walls as well. And check out this gorgeous primary closet and bathroom. One of the first things you might notice is there's skylights everywhere. We have a skylight here in the closet, and we have a skylight here in the bathroom. And the light that comes down on this gorgeous terracotta tile is so nice. This is an Italian-inspired tile from clay, and it's so gorgeous. I love the pattern, I love the color, the tone, it's so good.
But one of the true stars in this bathroom is the stone. This is a custom vanity, folks. So what we did is we took an off-the-shelf vanity base, and then we built this entire top here. We went back and forth with Hagar and Ziv. After we visited ABC Stone, we knew that this Calcutta Malva was the right stone. It blended in perfectly with the clay terracotta tile and then also the shower tile here. Everything in this bathroom fits seamlessly. It is absolutely gorgeous.
So we have this little shower nook on the primary floor, and it's a steam shower, and that's why it's closed all the way around. So you can see the steam outlet right down here, and there's gonna be a glass door that totally closes this off. So we'll have a nice little steam room, nice little steam shower, and we lined this with the same stone, the Calcutta Malva, as the vanity top, and this is just a stacked tile from fire clay on the walls. It's gorgeous.
I'm loving the new addition of the wall moldings here. What mirrors, what light fixtures are we putting in here? We're in the final stages and cannot wait to show you guys. Let's show you more of the second floor. So now we are here in the hallway on the second floor. Crew is really working around the clock. Hagar and Sip are moving in tomorrow on these top 2 floors, so we are all working very hard on this. A couple of the fixtures have gone on here. There's really beautiful natural elements coming into the space, especially when it comes to the light fixtures, a lot of natural stone. I'm loving the way that these are looking. Perfect place for a large piece of art here. We have our guest bathroom over here, which from our earlier vlog we talked about. Really fun pattern. We did a really nice stripe pattern here in a light green and a white. The tub is in, the plumbing's hooked up, things are looking really good. And this room is cleaned. All of the masonite is removed, the protection on the floors is removed. You see this beautiful natural white oak floors here throughout the second floor. We're also bringing the same floor down on that first floor. So you know we love to focus on the details. One of my favorite details throughout the house is the gorgeous hardware that is in all the fixtures. Buster and Punch folks have one of the nicest brass finishes. I'm loving the way that this knob has a really sturdy feel to it.
So all throughout this house, we installed these beautiful doors. These have these 5 panels, so it looks historic. It looks like it belongs in the brownstone, but all the doors are brand new. They're from true style 5-panel doors. They're nice and solid. They're 1 3/4 inches thick. And we have this gorgeous hardware from Rejuvenation.
So the very last thing that will be done tonight is the last coat of the paint on the staircase. This is the original staircase from the late 1800s. They have fully restored it. It looks great in the space, but the final coat still needs to get on. We want this place to be spick and span for them, so this will be the very last thing that's done. All right, we have a couple more errands to run, so subscribe to our channel, like this video. We will see you on the big reveal here at Carroll Jardin.